I'm Hercel Rose Esayos from De La Salle University, Dasmariñas. I'm here at Micro Hotel, located at General Trias, Cavite. I'm here to conduct some interview to know about the sustainability of this hotel. So you guys enjoy it. Bye.
Kilala pa naman So,
Go na. Good afternoon po, sir. What is sustainability po? And how it can be achieved po dito sa hotel?
so basically, hindi lang naman siya about hotel. So it's all about yung everyday living of in the societies. Kasi yung sustainability is parang a combination. It focuses on the dimensions of social, environmental, economical. So masyadong broad yung when we say sustainability. So how can it be achieved? So I think the best way para ma-achieve yung sustainability in terms of environmental is simula yan sa awareness. Sa awareness, lalo na sa green living na tinatawag. Like dito sa hotel namin, we practice awareness on our Windham Green program. So, ano ba yung Windham Green program? Like sa hotel, meron kaming mga energy conservation, meron kaming ang tawag ito, sa water, and then sa water conservation, tapos sa mga waste management, importante. So, yun. So, we follow mga ganong standards. So, yun.
Sa naman po? Sa cultural preservation po? Wala naman.
Cultural preservation, when we say culture, it also involves social So, yung sa social, so it's more of the parang world peace, peace, security, and social justice. So, syempre, sa hotel, importante yung safety and security ng yun. So, yung main concern natin. And also, relationship with the nature, syempre, kailangan hindi natin mababypass yung natin. So, kasi when we say sustainability, parang yung long-term maintenance of the well-being, the environment, yung paligid, ayun.
Okay na po.
So, I think yung para ma-achieve natin yun is, yun nga, proper management and awareness of yung tatlong dimensions na yun. So, environmental, social, and economical. So, kailangan educated tayo dun. Kaya may mga yan, sa staffs namin, and even you, students.